Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today is my 100th video. But you know what? This is the first time I'm giving my voice. Comment down below if I should use my voice for my future recipes. Today we are making chicken korma. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. For chicken korma, first heat a pan and then add 3 teaspoon oil. Now add 2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 teaspoon coriander seeds, 3 small cinnamon sticks, 1 red dried chili, 5 or 6 cloves, 6 green cardamoms, add half mace. Fry them for 40 seconds. Add 8 to 10 roughly chopped garlic, about 2 inches thinly sliced ginger. Fry until the spices are aromatic but not brown. Now add 2 roughly chopped tomatoes. Cover it for a minute until the tomatoes get cooked. And now you can see our spices are well cooked and well combined. Turn off the stove and cool it little bit before putting it in the blender. Add half cup fried onion and 1/4 cup roasted cashews. Now add little less than 1/4 cup of water and blend it to a fine paste. Now add 2 teaspoon oil in the same pan. It's time to fry the chicken. Now add all the chicken pieces into the hot oil. Fry it for 5 minutes before putting any spices in it. You can see the skin of the chicken has changed its color and all the water has become evaporated. It's the time to add our prepared spices. So add the spice and keep frying for another 2 minutes. Add 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and keep frying 2 to 3 minutes. Once you incorporated the spices with chicken, now it's the time to add curd or yogurt into the chicken. So beat the curd before adding to the chicken and make sure the flame should be low, otherwise yogurt will curdle. Keep frying the spices along with yogurt. It will take approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally, otherwise your spices will burn. And as you fry, you can see the color of the spices will change. Keep frying until you see the oil separating. As soon as you see the oil in the side of the pan, add 1 and 1/4 cup of water. Depending on how much gravy you want to have, add salt as per your taste. I put 2 teaspoons of salt and cover the lid. Let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes in low flame, low to medium flame. But keep stirring in between. Finish it with 1 teaspoon ghee and 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon kewra water, or alternatively you can use rose water. Give it a good stir. And now add 1 sliced green chili. Cover it for 5 more minutes in low flame. And when you open it after 5 minutes, you can see our mouth-watering chicken korma is all ready. Now you can serve it with roti, paratha, naan, or with just plain rice. So friends, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. And if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, please do so. Comment down below what your favorite chicken dish is. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.